Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to see UPSC Maths first paper question 1. Let V1 equal to 2 minus 1 3 2, V2 equal to minus 1 1 1 minus 3, V3 equal to 1 1 9 minus 5 be the three vectors of the space I r power 4. Does 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 lies in the span V1 V2 V3? Justify your answer. Now the solution goes by, to determine if the vectors 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 is in the span of the vectors v1, that is 2 minus 1 3 2, v2 and v3, we need to check if we can find scalars a, b and c such a way that a v1 plus b v2 plus c v3 is equal to 3 minus 1 0 minus 1, because that is what's asked in the question. Does 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 is in the span of v1 v2 v3. Now substitute the value of v1 v2 v3 in this equation. So a into 2 minus 1 3 2 plus b into minus 1 1 1 minus 3 plus c into 1 1 9 minus 5 is equal to 3 minus 1 0 minus 1. Now simplifying this equation, so multiplying 2 with a, so 2a minus minus 1 into b, so minus b plus c is equal to 3. The position of each values present inside the brackets holds the is equal to value on the right side. So minus a plus b plus c equal to minus 1, 3a plus b plus 9c equal to 0, 2a minus 3b minus 5c equal to minus 1. Now when you solve this 4 equation, or when you simplify for getting the solution of a, b, c, there is no solution in common. Therefore it is not possible to express the vector 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 as a linear combination of vectors v1 v2 and v3. Therefore 3 minus 1 0 minus 1 is not in the span of v1 v2 v3. So this is your solution for this first question in Maths paper part 1. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.